Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. Y'all, Gerard cooked yesterday. This was actually our first time having Thanksgiving with just the two of us, and we decided that we were gonna cook, and then Gerard just decided he wanted to take the reins on all of the cooking, which was so shocking because he generally only makes breakfast, but he did such a good job. He really shocked me. It was great. I hope that you guys had a blessed holiday. Let me know down in the comment section what you all did. Did you go to grandma's house? Like, what happened? But yeah, today is Black Friday and we're gonna head out and get a tree today. This is also gonna be our first Christmas where we get a tree. Last year we didn't get a tree. I don't know why, but I don't know, we didn't prioritize that or really decorating or anything, but this year we're gonna do that. So we're gonna go get a tree today, and we're also gonna do a little bit of Black Friday shopping, not too much, but I have a bomb wig for y'all. I've been just like wigging y'all up. I don't know if I said that right, but I've been showing you all the most beautiful units that you can rock for the fall season, and I hope you guys are appreciating it. Today's unit is from Bestlacewigs. I love the quality of their hair, and I also like that their units are more so on the affordable side. Today's wig, listen, on the website, I got another bob, y'all. I love bobs. Y'all know that. Do y'all like bobs? Y'all tell me. I love a good bob. Those, I feel like, are more so realistic in the length because length 12, length 10, you know, bobs are generally the longest around like 14, maybe 16. That's more realistic in regards to the length of my hair. So I like wearing bobs for that reason. And I just feel like they're so classy and chic. And it's really believable that it could be your hair. Now this one, we got some color today. I've really been exploring color a lot lately. And this one, ooh. It looks kind of different from the website though. I think I might like this color better. On the website, it looked more so orange, but in person, it looks like a really pretty blonde. Kind of like a golden ash blonde look. Do y'all see that? That is really gorgeous. I like this color a great deal. This is a lace front unit. The parting and everything looks amazing. The knots are already bleached. It does have a pre-plucked hairline, and I'll show you all that in a moment. But this is the inside construction. It comes with your typical combs. And it does have a longer comb at the bottom. And I really like these because they're great for security. Now let's put this on. We're going to test it out. Let's see what we're working with. And I don't know if y'all can see my little gap band, but I do have that on. So if I'm talking a little weird, that's why. Wow, I'm so glad it doesn't look like the website. I thought I was going to be trying some orange today, but this is absolutely beautiful. Wow. I've been wanting to try ash blonde for a while now, and I actually bought some box dye to try it out. I haven't gotten the courage to do it, but this is great. And I think it kind of happened from the packaging, how it's kind of flipped up. But I think I'm going to keep that. I'm probably just going to curl the hair up so that we have that little flip action going. I like that. And look at how the roots are dark black. That looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take it off, put it on the mannequin head, show you all what the hairline looks like, cut the lace, and then we're going to install. I'm feeling this, y'all.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just
look at that, y'all. It would help if I would flip it down and have the lace positioned the right way. I like that. Yes, I'm deciding if I'm gonna pluck the hairline. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it so you can see it on this side, so I may not need to, but this looks great. Oh, I see. So this one is actually parted, so it's a middle part. I want a side part, so I'm gonna shift the part now. And as you can see, the parting looks much better. I feel like this looks most like my scalp. Those two colors together, if you're my skin tone, try that. Now, in order to get this to lay flat, because as you can see, it looks really bulky, I'm gonna use my Sebastian Shaper Plus. I love this stuff for getting my units to lay flat near the parting area, and the hot comb.
yeah, you just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love.
I'm thinking about using a different method in order to secure my unit down. I typically use the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle, but I kind of want to try the freeze spray again. When I've used this spray in the past, I feel like it takes longer for it to stick, but maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know, but I'm going to try it again and give it another shot, and we're going to see how it works out. So I'm going to spray it on this side first, and then I'm going to blow dry it on the cool setting and just let it sit there until it dries. Hopefully it doesn't take long, but we're gonna see.
Your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be.
Y'all, where have I been? That was super easy. I think what I was doing wrong in the past is just spraying the Got2b glue freeze spray and then trying to blow dry the spray without laying the lace down first. But wow, that was fast and easy, and I feel like it's secure. Now, I don't think I'm gonna lay this side. I think I'm just gonna insert the combs over here. So then that side is secure, because you really only see a little bit of this side. All right, so I didn't lay the middle down, and I don't think I really need it. Like, it doesn't lift too much. I think it'll be fine. It's not really lifting or anything. Unless I tug at it, then it'll lift. But for the most part, it's down. So I'm just going to flat iron the hair and flip it up some. And then we're going to be finished, guys.
Your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We we paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl, you been so patient. We started off in the basement, now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win.
Alright guys, so these are the curls that I came up with. I wanted more so of a flip up look, but as I was manipulating my flat iron, one of the curls kind of ended up like this, and I kind of liked it, so I just kept that consistent throughout. Alright, I'm gonna go change my top so that you all can see the final look. It's so pretty. I don't know what the back is looking like though.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told him fight me. I stole your love.
Hey guys, so this is the... I picked it up. Oh, much better. So this is the final look. It turned out so well, right? I like these curls. Light curls, anyway. But I do feel like I need to go into the part and refine it a bit. It doesn't pop enough. So I'm going to add some of my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is what it looks like.
He shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose.
Y'all, look at this color against my skin tone. I love how it pairs so nicely with my lip color. And for those who are wondering what lip color I'm wearing, I will put it down in the description box. But this is really beautiful. The hair feels really soft. This is the silky texture. I normally get yucky texture, but sometimes I'll get silky. And this actually looks like it could still be my hair, although it's not yucky texture. It's not one of those super, super fine silky textures. This one is really, really nice. It has a great luster. My unit is inlet 12 for those who may be wondering, and I did get it at 150% density. Some companies will put that it's 150 and then it doesn't look like 150, but this one absolutely is true in density. I love that I get a chance to showcase colors that are naturally worn on lighter skin tones so that those who are darker like me can embrace wearing whatever color you want and just feeling confident in that. So I've just been having so much fun with all these different colors that I've been trying, and I love how they turned out, and I hope that it's been helpful for you guys seeing a slew of different colors. I'm going to be trying more. Somebody has been nudging me, and I know you're going to be in the comment section, but she's been nudging me to try pink, so we'll see if I actually try that color. But I love this one. I hope that you guys enjoy Black Friday and you guys enjoy the holidays. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box. I'll have all the details for this unit down there. I love you guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.